What if I told you that right now, in labs and factories across the United States, machines are being built that look like pure science fiction? I'm talking about humanoid robots that already work on factory floors just like a person, planes that cross the sky faster than the speed of sound while barely making a sound, and drones that drop your shopping right into your backyard, falling straight from the sky in a matter of minutes. And the most incredible part, all of this already exists. In this video, you're going to discover the 8 most impactful, craziest, and most futuristic technologies in the United States. And I promise you, by the time you reach number 1, you'll understand why the entire world could change forever. Number 8. Boston Dynamics Atlas. You've probably seen the viral clips, a humanoid robot doing backflips and parkour. But forget all of that, because the Atlas you're looking at now is something completely different. At the start of 2026, Boston Dynamics unveiled the real, production-ready version of Atlas, and it's no longer a lab toy. It's a worker. This thing is fully electric, packed with 56 points of movement, what engineers call degrees of freedom, which means it can bend, twist, and rotate in ways no human body ever could. Its head spins all the way around. Its joints turn in full circles. It can lift up to 50 kilograms, around 110 pounds, all day long. But here's the part that genuinely sounds like science fiction. When its battery runs low, Atlas doesn't stop. It walks itself to a station, swaps out its own battery, and gets right back to work. No breaks, no supervisor. And once one Atlas learns a task, the entire fleet learns it instantly. The factory of the future just walked in. Number 7. Northrop Grumman Manta Ray. Now we're going underwater, and this one is straight out of a spy thriller. Meet the Manta Ray, a massive, uncrewed submarine built by Northrop Grumman, and named after the giant ocean creature it's designed to imitate. Here's the wild concept behind it. Most submarines have a huge problem. They burn through energy fast and constantly need to refuel. The Manta Ray solves that in the strangest way possible. It can glide silently through the deep ocean using almost no power, and when it wants to save energy, it does something no other vehicle does. It anchors itself to the seafloor and goes to sleep. It hibernates on the ocean bottom, waiting for weeks or even months until it's needed again. When it's time to move, it wakes up, releases, and glides off on its mission completely on its own. No crew, no human anywhere near it. And get this, it's built in modular pieces, so it can be shipped in standard containers and reassembled anywhere in the world. Number 6. NASA X-59 Quest. For more than 50 years, there's been a law on the books that bans supersonic flight over land. The reason? The sonic boom, that violent crack of thunder that shatters windows and rattles entire towns when a plane breaks the sound barrier. NASA has spent years trying to kill that boom, and the X-59 is how they're doing it. This needle-shaped jet looks like nothing else in the sky. Nearly a third of its length is just a razor-sharp nose. That bizarre shape is the secret. It's engineered to scatter the shockwaves so they never slam together into a boom. Instead of a deafening bang, people on the ground would hear something more like a soft thump, about as loud as a car door closing. And here's the part that makes this list right now. Just a couple of weeks ago, in June of 2026, the X-59 flew faster than the speed of sound for the very first time. If this works, the ban could fall, and supersonic travel over land could finally come back. Imagine crossing the country in half the time. Number 5. Pivotal Helix. Be honest, you've dreamed of this. A personal aircraft sitting in your garage that you can just fly. No runway, no airport. The flying car everyone was promised. Well, an American company called Pivotal actually built it, and it's called the Helix. This is a single-seat electric aircraft that takes off straight up like a drone, then tilts forward and flies like a plane. No spinning rotor blades over your head, no helicopter, no fuel. It's nearly silent, fully electric, and small enough to fold up and tow on a trailer behind your car. But here's the detail that blows people's minds. In the United States, because of how light it is, you don't even need a pilot's license to fly it. It falls under a special ultralight category. The company puts you through their own training program, and then the sky is genuinely yours. It costs around the price of a luxury car. Not cheap, but not a private jet either. The age of personal flight isn't coming. It's already here. Number 4. Regent Viceroy Sea Glider. This next one is so strange it had to invent a brand new category just to describe itself. It's not a boat, it's not a plane. It's called a sea glider, and it's built by an American company named Regent. Picture a sleek electric aircraft that travels over the water in 3 completely different modes. First, it floats on its hull like a boat. Then it rises up onto underwater wings, called hydrofoils, and skims above the waves. And finally, it lifts off entirely, flying just a few meters above the surface, riding a cushion of air trapped between its wings and the water. That trick is called ground effect, and it's incredibly efficient. The Viceroy carries 12 passengers, runs purely on batteries, and is designed to zip between coastal cities at the speed of a small plane, but at the cost of a ferry. No emissions, no roads, no runways. Just smooth, silent gliding over the sea. For island nations and coastal regions, this could replace the boring ferry forever and connect entire communities in minutes. Number 3. Sarcos Guardian XO. Remember Iron Man? The suit that turns an ordinary person into a superhuman? An American company called Sarcos got dangerously close to building the real thing, and they called it the Guardian XO. This is a full-body powered exoskeleton, basically a wearable robot you climb inside. It wraps around your entire body, from your legs to your arms, and here's what it does. It lets a single person lift and carry up to 90 kilograms, around 200 pounds, again and again, all shift long, while feeling like they're lifting almost nothing. The genius is in the control system. Packed with over 100 sensors, the suit reads every tiny movement your body makes in a fraction of a millisecond and instantly matches it. You move, it moves with you, perfectly, with no delay. There are no joysticks. You just walk, reach, and lift naturally, and the machine amplifies your strength like magic. One worker wearing it could do the work of several people without the back injuries. It's the closest thing we have to a real superhero suit. Imagine ordering something, a coffee, a medicine, a phone charger, and watching it drop gently into your backyard from the sky, all in under 30 minutes. No driver, no traffic. That's exactly what the American company Zipline is doing right now, at a scale that's honestly hard to believe. Their newest system, Platform 2, is brilliant. A large drone flies high above your home, hundreds of meters up, staying safely out of the way. Then it lowers a small, smart delivery pod called a droid on a long tether. This little pod has its own tiny thrusters and sensors, so it can steer itself down and place your package into a spot just 1 meter wide. Quiet, precise, and gentle. And this isn't a future promise. Zipline has already completed over 2 million real deliveries and flown more than 120 million miles. In 2026, it's expanding across multiple US states, partnering with Walmart and major hospitals. Drone delivery isn't a gimmick anymore. It's quietly becoming everyday infrastructure, right over your head. Number 1. Lily Vector. And here it is. Number 1. After flying cars and superhuman suits and robot submarines, you'd expect the wildest machine of all. But the technology that might actually change your daily life the most is one almost nobody talks about. It feeds the world, literally. It's called the Lily Vector, and it's an automated robotic feeding system transforming farms across America and beyond. Here's why it matters. On a dairy farm, animals have to be fed fresh food constantly, day and night, around the clock. Exhausting, relentless work. The Lily Vector takes it over completely. A robot mixes the perfect blend of feed. Then a self-driving feeding machine rolls through the barn, delivering it to the animals. And here's the clever part. It uses a laser scanner to measure exactly how much food is left in front of each group and tops it up only when needed. Fresh feed, the right amount, all day, all night, with no human required. Why is this number 1? Because healthier, better-fed animals mean more milk, less waste, and lower costs for the food on your table. So there you have it. 8 machines that sound impossible, but are absolutely real. From robots that never sleep, to jets that silence the sound barrier, to a quiet farm robot feeding the world while no one's watching. The future isn't some distant dream anymore. It's being built right now, piece by piece, and most people have no idea how fast it's arriving. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these blew your mind the most? And which would you actually want in your life tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next one is going to be even crazier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.